Hello, welcome to Elax Academy. This is SS1 Mathematics third term. Mathematics is a very interesting subject. Mathematics is a very simple subject. Mathematics is a subject you need as a student to succeed. Mathematics and English, both of them are very important to students because they are the basics of everything you want to learn, all the subjects you want to learn as a student. It is clear to me that most of students find it difficult to pass mathematics. Most students will be saying that they hate mathematics. It's not their fault. Probably it might be the teacher taking them. So it might be the foundation of those students. But you here under this Elax Academy, mathematics will be interesting. Mathematics will be your best subject as you are following us. So follow us, continue to subscribe to our channel, then you will enjoy the best of mathematics. Now back to business. What we are doing today is what we call plane measuration. We call it what? Plane measuration. Before this plane measuration, we have treated plane geometry. We have treated what? Plane geometry. So we have treated that one before. But here now, we are talking about plane measuration. Plane measuration. That's what we are looking into now. And in this topic, what we are going to do is to calculate for the perimeter and the areas of angles. When we say plane geometry, we are talking about triangle, rectangle, square, kite, rhombus, etc. Those are the plane geometry. But here we are going to learn how to calculate for perimeters and area of plane shape. Perimeters and areas of plane shape. The perimeter of a plane is the distance around the plane shape. The perimeter of a plane is a distance around the plane shape. That is, you want to calculate for the, look at this triangle. We have three sides of this triangle. If you look at this triangle now, we have 11 here, 9 centimeter here, 15 centimeter here. Now we want to calculate for the perimeter. How do we calculate for perimeter of something like this? Perimeter will now be 9 plus 11 plus 15. Don't forget, everything is what? Centimeter. 9 plus 11, that is 20. 20 plus 15, that is 35. 35 centimeter. 35 what? Centimeter. That is how to calculate for perimeter of rectangle. Now the next one now is to teach how to calculate for area of triangle. Now we want to look at how we can solve for area of triangle. How to calculate or solve for area of triangle depending on the information supplied. Depending on the information supplied, the area of a triangle can be derived in many ways. Yes, it can be derived in many ways. Now let's look at the first one. If three sides are known, that is, in triangle, when you are given maybe 5, 6, 7, like the way we did for perimeter, if the three sides are known, how do we calculate for the area? That is where we are going to make use of what? Hero's formula. And what is Hero's formula in calculating for area of triangle? Will now be, we call this one x into bracket of x minus a, the three sides, times x minus b, open bracket x minus c. Now, then to get our x, will now be half of a plus b plus c. This is the formula. This is Hero's formula to calculate for area of triangle. To calculate for area of triangle. Now, whereby our A, B, and C are three sides. They are the three sides. If you look at that triangle, we have three sides. We have A, B, and C. So they are the three sides. Example. So this is an example. Find the area of the triangle with the following dimensions. A equals to 4 centimeter, B equals to 30 centimeter, then our C equals to 15 centimeter. So the three sides is given to us. So automatically what we are going to use now is Hero's formula. And what is Hero's formula to calculate for area? Area equals to root x bracket of x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus c, where our x equals to half of a plus b plus c. So from the question, our x now, we need to calculate for our x first. 1 over 2 times, what's our a? Our a is 4 plus our b is 13 plus our c is 15 or centimeter. So 15 plus 13 will give us 28. 28 plus 4, 22. 1 over 2 times 22 centimeter. Our x, 2 here 1, 2 here 11. So our x equals to 11 centimeter. Sorry, 13 plus 15 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. Sorry, it's 32, not 22. 32. 2 here will give us 16. Give us 16 centimeter. So the area now, our area root, our x is 16 centimeter in the bracket of x. Our x is 16 minus our a. Our a is 4. Open bracket 16. Our x is 16 minus b. Our b is 13. Then x minus c. Our c is what? 15. Sorry, our x is 16 minus 15. So from here, let me just clear this one, we'll put it later. Then we have root 16, open brackets, 16 minus 4 will give us 12. Open bracket, 16 minus 13 will give us 3. 16 minus 15 will give us 1. So everything is multiplication. When anytime you see anything inside brackets, they mean what? Multiplication. So from here, our area here will now be 16. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 12 will give us 36. 36 times 16 will give us 576. 576. This one have 1 centimeter, and this one have 1 centimeter. So now from here, from here now, let us find the square root of 576. So square root of 576 is 24. 24. Now we want to put our centimeter, and is centimeter squared. Centimeter what? Centimeter squared. So let me explain how is centimeter squared. If you look at our question, we have centimeter here, we have centimeter here, we have centimeter here, we have centimeter here. That is centimeter raised to power of 4. Centimeter raised to power of 4. So when you take, if you find the square root, therefore this square root we cancel this square root we cancel 4, we have 2. This is the 2. Square root of 576 will give us 24. That is using Hero's formula to solve for area of triangle. Now don't forget, what we are doing is area of triangle, and what we said earlier is that depending on the information they supply, the information they give us will determine the methods or the ways we can solve our question. The first one we did is that when the three sides of triangle is given to us and they ask us to calculate for the area, that is the previous one. Look at this Roman figure 2. If a side and a perpendicular line draw is given to us, that is that our height, when it's given to us, how do we calculate for the area? How do we calculate for the area? So when you are given a question like this, the three sides is given to us and they give us another perpendicular line, which is height. So to calculate for this area, we now be half times base. This is our base. The whole of this is our base times height. Half times base times what? Height. That is, our A is the base. Our H is the what? Height. Is the height. So when you are given a perpendicular line, that is a line dividing the triangle into two, then we use base times what? Times height. Now we have example here. Find the area of the triangle with base 18 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Solution. So to calculate for area of this triangle, we will have of A times height. So, and to get our A now, our A will be equal to 18 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. 18 plus 4 centimeter will give us 22 centimeter. Will give us 22 centimeter. So back to area. Area now will now be half times our A is 22 centimeter. Then our height is 8 centimeter. 2 here 1, 2 here 11. Therefore, our area equals to 22 times 8. It's 8. Centimeter times centimeter. Centimeter squared. That is how to calculate for area of triangle when a perpendicular is involved. Now, this is third method of calculating or of getting our area of triangle. Now, in this triangle, the angles are shown in capital letters. The angles are shown in what? Capital letters. This is the angles. Angles. This angle, angle, angle. They are shown in capital letters. While the sides facing the angles are named in their respective small letters of the alphabet. So if you look at this angle C, the side facing angle C is small letter c. This is angle A, the side facing capital letter A is small letter a. This is angle B, the side facing angle B is small letter b. Therefore, the height can be derived in terms of the sine of angle facing the height itself. Sine facing angle, look at it, the height, we can get our height by using the angle facing the height, by facing the sine, sorry, the sine facing the height. Now, how do we calculate for the area? That is where we are going. How do we calculate for the area? To calculate for the area, we now be half of AB times sine C. Now area now equals to half times AB. If you are using AB, then times sine C, DC. AB times sine C. Sine C is the one facing height. Then another one, half times BC. BC times sine A. So let's assume they give us this angle now. Maybe this B. This B now will now be half times this is the B, AC times sine B. Can you see it? So if they give you this side, that means these two sides will be given to you. So that is the third method which we can use to calculate for the area of triangle. So we are going to look into example now. We are going to look into what? Example. Now, as you can see this question, we are asked to calculate the area of this triangle. Solution. So to calculate for the area, will now be half times 15 centimeter times 6 centimeter times sine 64. Sine 64. So I will show you how to get your sine 64 if you are not using calculator. So each textbook they have some tables. They have if by virtue you don't have 4-figure table. So you take your 4-figure table, you check sine, this is reciprocal, you check for sine, log breathing, cosine, you don't need that. Okay, this tangent, that's tan. Okay, sine, you check your sine 64. From here, our sine 64 under 0 degree, you will see 0.8988. 0.8988. That is what we have here now. Will now be 1/2 times 15 centimeter times 6 centimeter times sine 64 0.8988. So let's do the calculation. So from here we say that 15 times 6 times 0.8988. So if you multiply it, what we are going to get is 40.4 centimeter. 40.4 centimeter squared. So this 15 times 6 times 0.8988 divided by 2 will give us 40.4 centimeter squared. 40.4 centimeter squared. Or better still, let me do it this way. So for better understanding, let me just do like this. 15 times 0.8988 will give us 13.892. Will give us 13.892. So 13.892 times 6 will give us 80. 1/2 times 80.892. Then let's divide it. 2 here, 1. 2 in 80, 40. 2 here, 4. So 2 in 9, 4. Remainder 1. 2 in 12, 6. So our answer will now be 40.4. 40 point what? 40.4 centimeter squared. 40.4 centimeter squared. Thank you. The next class will be parallelogram. We have treated triangle. Thank you very much.